Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Susie and welcome back to my channel. Yep, that's right. Today we're going to be finishing this one. I'm going to be attempting a little bit of shading, not trying to perfect it in any way, shape, or form. In fact, I may even just ruin this piece. But we'll see. Hey, you live and you learn. So, again, as always, I'm using my Arena Hawk 4mm stroke machine, tattoo pen, machine, whatever you want to call it. I did get new cartridges, so I got two different kinds. They're both from CNC Tattoo, so one of them are the police cartridges. The other one are finger ledge cartridges. Okay, they are made in China. They are a little bit more on the inexpensive side of things, but I don't know what to tell you. I am a beginner here. So, yeah, using dynamic triple black ink as always. And back to the real skin, amazing stuff, but obviously it's real skin. You saw the video before me doing the tattoo outline, so there you go. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna be a little bit all over the road to when it comes to the voltages that I'm using, just because I've never done this before, so I don't know what to do, what to expect. So let's get going. I'm starting at 5.2, and like, I don't know if you guys can see that at all. Where's the camera? It's out a fair ways. I did a couple practice strokes up here, and so, alright. Trying to also think about where like my light source would be, so again, don't judge or judge. I don't care. Maybe I should turn it down, actually. So it's at 5 volts. Let's see how this goes. slowed my machine right down to 4.4. I was starting to get it. But, alas, lots more work. But there you go. There's me practicing. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming out. If you like what you see and you want to continue seeing more of my journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give it a like. And yeah, go ahead and shoot me a comment, give me some advice, some constructive criticism, whatever you guys want. All right, have a good one, guys, and we will see you next time.